The overall goal of this experiment is to measure the evaporation rate of solutions using an impedance-based system.
This method can help answer key questions in the analytical chemistry fields, such as moisturizing competitive of cosmetics.
The main advantage of this technique are fast detection response, small sample size, high sensitivities, measurement of multiple samples, and easy disassembly for cleaning and reuse.
This method can provide insight into the evaporation process. It can also be applied to other analyses, such as biomolecular dissection and cellular behavior.
We first had the idea for the method when we found the time-consuming nature of the standard weight loss measurement system to be troublesome.
To begin building the experimental chip module, use a glass cutter to cut an indium tin oxide-coated glass substrate to the appropriate dimensions. Sonicate the ITO glass in acetone, and then in deionized water for 15 minutes each. Then, dry the ITO glass with dry air. Apply 5 milliliters of positive photoresist liquid to the ITO glass and spin coat the glass for 30 seconds. Heat the glass at 90 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Then, cover the glass with a film photomask